Welcome everyone again. So, today we will analyze a question paper before starting any exam. Before starting the preparation of any exam, we need to know the exact exam pattern to study. So, I've taken a question paper from the year 2020, which happened last year. So, it happened on 8 February 2020. Paper 1, it has physiology, microbiology, and biochemistry. So, time was 2 hours, maximum marks was 100 marks. In section A, question 1 is write the choose answer. So, these are basically MCQs. There are 10 questions, each of 2 marks. So, you can see these. I will give the link of the of the site from where I have downloaded it. So all the question papers from the year 2011 to 2020, they are available there, so you can look at them. So the first question is, these are multiple choice questions. Also, if you need, you can pause and take the screenshot. So these are the 10 MCQs from the first question, section A. Now comes the section B. So section B, second question is explain the following terms in 1 or 2 sentences. So these are 5 options given and we have to describe in 1 or 2 sentences. So these are basically 5 and each one is of 1 marks, so total 5 marks. Now the third question is write the name of the condition disorder caused by the following. So this question also has five questions, each of 1 mark. Total marks 5 questions. So and the next question is true or false. These are also 5 and each one is of 1 mark. So total 5 marks. Fifth question is match the following. These are 6 and 1 mark for each. So basically 6 marks. Next question is name one organism toxicant involved in each of the following. So these are 5 and 1 mark for each, so total is 5 marks. So section B is of 50 marks, section A is of 20 marks. Now so sixth question was this one, name one organism toxicant involved in each one of the following. 5 are given, 1 mark for each, total marks 5. And the next question is fill in the blanks. 5 questions are given and 1 mark for each part. Next is give any 3 differences. There are 3 parts and each part is of 3 marks. So the total comes 9 marks. Next question is expand the following and give one significance of the same. So I guess these are like full forms and we need to give one significance of each one. So it is of 2 marks and 5 parts are there, so total 10 marks. Section C, it is of 30 marks. So there are 3 questions and out of these 3 questions answer any 2 questions. So choice is given, out of 3 2 are needed to be attempted. So these are like there's a choice in them and each question is of 15 marks. So the choice is to make the one which so the choice is, so I guess it's like the one which is we need to choose a question which we can describe, expand at least to that length, which can give us 15 marks. So see the Krebs cycle with its significance. So it's an important question, biochemistry. So you see how important biochemistry is. So this is the pattern of paper 1. So now let us see the second paper. This also happened on 8 February 2020. So paper 2 has nutrition, dietetics and food service management. So the time here is 2.5 hours. Total marks is of 100 marks. Section A is of 20 marks. First question is answer the following. So there are 10 questions and each question is of 2 marks. Now section B, 50 marks. So the first question of section B is answer. So the first question is of multiple choice questions. These are like five questions, each of 1 mark. Choose the correct answer. Then answer the following. There are 5 questions, each of 2 marks. Then it's true or false, 5 questions, each question of 1 mark, so 5 marks. Next comes the fill in the blanks. 5 questions, each of 1 marks, total 5 marks. Then comes explain the following. It has 5 questions and each question is of 5 marks, so 25 questions, 25 marks. So, and you can see there's a choice in the fourth question, internal choice. So these are like 5 questions, 5 mark each, 25 questions. Section C is of 30 marks. So I guess these are like case studies. Note, answer both question 1 and question 2. Both questions have 2 cases. From each question, any one case. So the candidate needs to attempt both these questions and each question has 2 cases. Case 1, details, and case 2. So from question 1, here is a choice to either choose case 1 or case 2. And question 2, similarly, case 1 and case 2. So the candidate can choose between case 1 and case 2 from question 2 and from question 1. Let me show this section again. I guess this is of maximum marks from this paper to 30 marks. So see the questions. Basically a dietitian's work is to plan diets, so I guess this is to check that ability. So here it ends. So as you can see, paper 1 and paper 2 had objective questions and subjective questions as well. So that means aspirants should have in-depth knowledge of every topic, because we don't know which topic comes for a subjective question, which lines, which topic or which word comes under objective questions. So a thorough preparation is required. Also, to pass RD exam, 50% of marks are required. So if you like my video, then Please like it, share it, subscribe my channel, and if you have any query, any confusion, or any suggestion, a positive suggestion, a positive constructive suggestion, then you can give it, and no need for any negative comments, because it's something that I want to do to help others, to help myself. So no negative comments. Of course, constructive comments and constructive criticism is open. Thank you and have a nice day.